Hello friends, welcome back to Friend of Health. So today we have a very important information regarding the Key-Aiapget 2020, that is All India Ayush Postgraduate Entrance Test 2020. So you can see in the official website of ayush.nic.in, in the welcome page, in the home page itself, a scroll is coming up from today, Key Challenge Public Notice of Key-Aiapget 2020. So here it is, Public Notice Key Challenge. First you have to read this before you click on this link, because if you click just on this link and you log in, you will have a lot of confusions. So don't get panic, be cool, and we will go through the procedures, how to check your answer key, and we will come to know how much you could score exactly, because they are giving the question paper and candidate response, and also there is a key challenge option where you can get the answer key. So first we will read this public notice. So public notice file, it is today 13th October 2020. So subject is Key-Aiapget 2020, display of question papers and challenge of answer key for MD, MS, PG diploma courses in Ayurveda, Unani, Siddha and Homoeopathy courses. The All India Postgraduate Entrance Test Key-Aiapget 2020 has been conducted throughout the country on 28th September 2020, in which 25,076 candidates appeared. The National Testing Agency has uploaded the question papers and answer keys for MD, MS, PG diploma courses in Ayurveda, Unani, Siddha and Homeopathy courses on website https://nta-ayapget.nic.in for candidates to challenge. So this is the beginning paragraph, and you can see some descriptions and dates. So these are very important. We must go through each and every line of this public notice, and I will just skip this paragraph. So description of these two important dates. So date of display of question paper and challenge of provisional answer key for this MD, MS, PG diploma courses is 13th October to 15th. Only till 15th it will be displayed. So till 5 p.m. of 15th. And last date of successful transaction of fee through credit or debit card or net banking or UPI for challenge of answer key. This is for the challenge of answer key on till 15th night 11:50 you can do that. And we have to pay a sum of 1,000 rupees as a processing fee for each key challenged. So it's not total. So for each answer key, if you have a challenge with reference, or maybe reference is there or not, we have to check. But if you want to challenge one answer key by NTA for one question, you have to pay 1,000 rupees. So these are the things. It is from the Senior Director of NTA, Dr. Sadhana Parashar. So these are the things in the first page, and second page is very important. Procedure for challenge of answer key. So if anybody finds a wrong answer key by NTA given, you have to follow these procedures. So please go to the website. This is the website, and log in with your application number and password and submit, and click apply for key challenge. You will see 120 questions. This is a very important thing, because when you just log into the this page, this link, if you log in, you can just see your response and the question paper. You will not find the answer key by NTA. So this is the step to find the answer key. So click for the apply for key challenge. You will see 120 questions. Select the question to be challenged. The number next to the question under the column answer as per NTA stands for the correct answer to be used by NTA. So you will find the answer key of this question paper only if you match the candidate response and the question paper which you get from this link along with this this step, the column which says answer as per NTA. So under this column you can find the number which belong to the correct answer. So once you select any question for challenge, you will see 4 options under the column suggested answer by the candidate. So this is the way to challenge your answer key. These are very self-explanatory things, so don't worry. If you wish to challenge, you may use any one or more of the option IDs given in the next 4 column by clicking the checkbox. So tick you have to do. After clicking your desired option for all questions you want to challenge, scroll down, submit and move to the next screen. You will find a screen displaying your challenges. Click on the final submit. Kindly pay the processing fee. In the next screen, click on go for payment. Then set the mode of payment, ₹1,000 for each question. Then after successful payment, download or print the key challenge receipt. This is very important. If any key you are challenging, you have to print the key challenge receipt, and safely you have to keep. The processing fee for ₹1,000 would be refunded wherever the challenge is found to be correct. So if the challenge is correct, you will get a refund. That is something very great. So don't worry about the refund. Now we will see how to find the answer key for 2020 AAPGT exam. So here you have to click this link. So this page will appear, and registered user sign in page it is. So here you have to put your application number. So after putting your password and application number, this is the page which appears. Yes, you can see, click here for key challenge, and you can see here, click here to view the question paper. So when you click on this tab, you can see, click here to view your question paper, display question paper. So this is your question paper, roll number, name of the candidate, examination name, exam date and time, everything is there. Question will be given, question ID will be given 8. These things are very important. These numbers are very important because there was a shuffling of the questions for every candidate. So each question ID will be same. Question 8 will be same for everyone, but it may not appear on the 8th position or 1st position for everyone. So it was shuffled. So these things are important when you cross check the answer key. So question ID 8. So this is the 8th question, you can say. And thoracic depth drains the following areas except. So option A or option ID 1 is 30, then 29, then 32, then 31. So answer which is given by the candidate is 31. So we have to cross check with the answer key. So each question follows this procedure. So there will be a answer given by the candidate, then each option will be having a option ID, question will have a question ID, and the question and answers are already given. So you can nicely you can do the cross checking of answer key. So we will see how to check that. So in this page you have to come back again. So this is having a timeout or logging. Each time will have a timeout session. So you have to come back fast. So you can see here, click here for answer key challenge. If you click on this link, yeah, so here is the answer key challenge portion. So we will see. So this is the homeopathy paper we are seeing now. So in homeopathy paper, if you see homeopathy question ID 8, so 8th question correct answer is 31. So here your response is not given. Your response you can see in this page. So question 8 correct answer is 31. So you can cross check. Correct answer 31. Yeah, candidate answer is 31. So you got one right answer. And if you have any problem with the reference or the answer key, if you want to challenge, you can challenge here. So that was the procedure which was mentioned in this public notice earlier. So these steps are very important. So now you might have understood everything. So question ID 9, you can see that question ID 9, Charcot's artery of cerebral hemorrhage is a branch of. So the candidate have selected a middle cerebral artery, option ID 34, and the answer is 34. Very good. So this candidate is getting again one more right answer. So this is the correct option by NTA. So this is the answer key. So you can if at all you have any claim, you can claim here. Otherwise you can write down 8, 31, 9, 34, 10, 40, 11, 43, like that you can write down. Then you can cross check later with this PDF file. So this is the easy way to find out the answer key. So we at Front of Health, we wish all the candidates of AAPGT 2020 a very good luck and all the best wishes from our team for you for a great future. And we will be uploading some more videos regarding the stipends and the number of seats in government colleges and national institutes of homeopathy, and also whatever information we have, we will be sharing with you. So follow our channel, share with your friends. Once again, best wishes.